Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today in this episode of CBD 101. If you've recently noticed CBD oil shops popping up in your neighborhood, you're not alone. In fact, industry experts project U.S. CBD oil sales to grow an average of 107% annually through 2023, especially with major mainstream retailers getting on board. Still, despite the skyrocketing trend of CBD across the country, many people still aren't clear about the types of CBD available and key quality control issues that should guide their consumer choices. Here we break down these topics, along with what you should expect when you use CBD. Among the most popular CBD products are CBD oils, with balms and roll-ons not far behind. So what's the difference, and how should you use these products? More importantly, consumers want to know, how long does it take to start seeing results from CBD? Let's take a look at CBD oil, balms, and roll-ons to see how they work and how long before you can expect to see results from these different CBD delivery methods. CBD oil is made by extracting CBD from the cannabis plant, then diluting it with a carrier oil like coconut oil. A single dropper applied to the desired area is all you need to support your holistic routine. Nature's Ultra has taken this simple delivery method and we have enhanced it to target and support specific feelings of well-being. For instance, our cinnamon CBD oil offers a boost, our cool mint CBD oil has a refreshing and uplifting aroma, and our citrus CBD oil is a great way to feel energized. Nature's Ultra offers 2 other CBD oil products in formats that might feel more familiar or first-time user-friendly. Nature's Ultra CBD Muscle Rub is ideal for tired or overworked muscles, whether from a particularly grueling gym session, a job that requires daily physical exertion, or a one-off adventure that pushed you past your comfort zone. All you do is apply it to the affected area for soothing, targeted relief. Nature's Ultra Calm CBD Roll-On can be applied to your chest, neck, or other areas to encourage relaxation and a quiet mind when you've had a long and eventful day. Whatever product or products suit your needs, quality control is essential. When products grow at such alarming levels due to popularity, one of the risks is the potential for low quality or even counterfeit products to infiltrate the market. When this happens, those fake operations weaken the legitimacy of CBD oil products sourced from authentic, trustworthy companies. Recently, CNBC reported an investigation finds illegal synthetic marijuana in vape and edible products sold as CBD. That's why at Nature's Ultra, we have made it our mission to educate consumers on quality CBD, thereby evaluating the CBD industry. We've proven this commitment time and time again by producing CBD products which are federally legal and infused with young living essential oils. Using quality CBD oil products is a personal decision, and as we've explained, one that will yield results depending on both the delivery method and the individual. Let me help you get started. For our CBD oil, place 1 full dropper or 1 milliliter of oil to desired area. For our CBD Muscle Rub and CBD Calm Roll-On, apply generously in affected areas such as chest, neck, wrists, knees, upper back, and shoulders. Whether you're using the CBD oil, rub, or roll-on, we suggest starting with the lowest strength and building up accordingly. That's why we offer different strengths for all of our products. Our CBD oil comes in 500 milligram and 1000 milligram strength. Our Muscle Rub and our Calm Roll-On come in 300 milligram and 600 milligram strength. Using CBD oil products is a personal decision, one best supported by dosage and delivery options. Above all, give it time. It can be easy to expect immediate results from holistic products, but while CBD can be immensely beneficial in your life, it isn't an instant miracle. As the saying goes, good things come to those who wait. While you wait, enjoy peace of mind that everything from Nature's Ultra features young living essential oils, which provides you with even more benefits like the more immediate relaxation associated with aromatherapy. Thank you for joining me in this episode of CBD 101. Please like and subscribe below, and please continue to send in your questions.